Dear student, take in practical question number 5. On 1st April 2018, the following balance appear in the book of Blue and Green Limited. Beginning of the year balance appear कर रहा है तो 12% डिवेंचर एंड डिवेंचर रिडेम्पशन रिजर्व दोनों का बैलेंस अपीयर कर रहा है, यानी कि इशूड करने की एंट्री हमें पास नहीं करनी है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ये पहले से डिवेंचर एज ए बैलेंसिंग फिगर शो कर रहा है. नाउ इंफॉर्मेशन समराइज्ड 12% debentures rupees 20 lakh and DRR debenture redemption reserve maintain balance rupees 50,000 on 1st April 2018. Debenture redeemed on 31st August 2020. That means redemption at par on 31st August 2020. Before redemption, legal requirements, SEBI guidelines fulfill. DRR maintain at least 10% of the debenture value and DRI maintain at the rate of 15%. Now redemption date 31st August 2020, just before 31st March 2020, DRR maintain. Now general entry, statement of PL account debit to DRR, debenture redemption reserve. Now DRR calculate 20 lakh outstanding debenture at the rate of 10%, 2 lakh. Already DRR balance maintain 50,000. Now only required balance minus 50,000. Only required balance maintain 1,50,000 as a DRR. Now journal entry, statement of PL account debit to DRR 1,50,000. Next, 30 April 2020, debenture redemption investment account debit to bank. Now 20 lakh, 15%, 3 lakh as a DRI. Next entry, on the date of redemption DRI को सेल करके अमाउंट रियलाइज करेंगे on 31st August 2020. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर redemption investment, realized amount rupees 3 lakh. In this question no information for investment percent. Now sales amount received, bank account debit to debenture redemption investment. Now charge to debenture holders account 12% debentures account debit to 12% debenture holders, amount rupees 20 lakh. Next entry, paid to debenture holder 12% debenture holders account debit to bank 20 lakh. Now after redemption, DIR transfer to general reserve. Now debenture redemption reserve account debit to general reserve. Now general entry complete. Total general reserve 2 lakh transferred. Total debenture redemption reserve transfer to general reserve amount rupees 2 lakh. पहले से बैलेंस अवेलेबल था 50,000 ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 31st March 2020 मेंटेन रुपीज 1,50,000. टोटल 2 lakh DRR मेंटेन ट्रांसफर टू जनरल रिजर्व. Another practical question number 6. Gati Limited had issued 30,000 8% debenture of rupees 100 each. 1/3 is due for redemption on 31st March 2018. Now question summarized. 30,000 8% debenture at the rate of rupees 100 each. 1/3 redeemed 1/3 redemption on 31st March 2018. 1/3 value, तो total value rupees 30,000 100 each 30 lakh. One-third value rupees 10 lakh debenture redeemed on 31st March 2018. The company has in its debenture redemption reserve account of balance rupees 1,20,000 on 31st March 2017. DRR balance on 31st March 2017 rupees 1,20,000. Now required investment is made in fixed deposit on 30 April 2017 being interest at the rate of 6% per annum. Record the necessary journal entry for redemption of debenture. Now question information summarized. 1/3 redemption on 31st March 2018. Now before redemption 31st March 2017 DRR maintained. Now general entry statement of PL account debit to debenture redemption reserve DRR. DRR maintain debenture outstanding debenture total value rupees 30 lakh. Now 30 lakh at least 10% DRR maintain value rupees 3 lakh DRR balance 31st March 2017 1,20,000. Now maintained only rupees 1,80,000 as a DRR. General entry DRR for 1,80,000. On 30 April 2017, general entry for DRI, debenture redemption, investment account debit to bank. Investment maintain only redeemed value to now 1/3 value redeemed 10 lakh value debenture redeemed at the rate of 15%. DRI maintain 1,50,000 DRI. And next entry on before redemption on 31st March 2018, before redemption DRI encashed. Now 31st March 2018, bank account debit to DRI debenture redemption investment and to interest. Now DRI value 1,50,000 investment at the rate of 6% per annum on 30 April. Now 11-month interest amount 1,50,000 6% by 12, 8,250 as a interest. Total received amount 1,58,250. Now charge to debenture holder account on 31st March 2018, 8% debenture account debit to 8% debenture holders. Amount rupees only 10 lakh. Debenture were redeemed 1/3 value. And next entry for the payment 8% debenture holders account debit to bank. Amount rupees 10 lakh. Next entry DRR transfer to general reserve, debenture redemption reserve account debit to general reserve. Total DRR maintained 1,20,000 क्योंकि पहले से बैलेंस अपीयर था. इस ईयर हमने और मेंटेन किया 1,80,000 का DRR. टोटल DRR बैलेंस 120 एंड 180 3 लाख. तो 3 लाख टोटल बैलेंस था. 3 लाख DRR बैलेंस शो कर रहा है, जिसमें से जो डिवेंचर रिडीम्ड हुआ है यानी कि 1/3 वैल्यू, तो 1/3 वैल्यू डिवेंचर रिडीम्ड ओनली ₹10 लाख। तो ये जो डिवेंचर रिडीम्ड हुआ है इसी का DRR हम सिर्फ जनरल रिजर्व में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे। नाउ ₹1 लाख ओनली ट्रांसफर टू जनरल रिजर्व। टोटल DRR 3 लाख था जो डिवेंचर रिडीम्ड हुआ, उसी का DRR हमने ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया। नाउ जनरल एंट्री कंप्लीट। अनदर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। X Limited had issued 8 lakh 9% debenture which are due to redeemed out of profit। जब redeemed out of profit की बात कहेगा तो जो लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट है अकॉर्डिंग टू सेबी गाइडलाइंस 10% DRR मेंटेन, अब यहाँ पे DRR 100% मेंटेन होगा। तो अब क्वेश्चन की इंफॉर्मेशन को समराइज कर रहे हैं। issued in a ₹8 lakh 9% debenture redeemed out of profit। Now redemption on 1st October 2019 at 5% premium। Now redeemed value 8 lakh plus 5% premium, total redemption 8,40,000। Balance amount in DRR ₹4,14,000। The company invested the required amount in fixed deposit in a bank on 30 April 2019, that means DRI, earning interest at 10% per annum, pass necessary general entry for the redemption of debenture। Now debenture redeemed on 1st October 2019, general entry pass in 1st April। Now general entry pass 31st March 2019। Statement of PL account debit to DRR। DRR maintain 100% of the redeemed value outstanding debenture, total 8 lakh at the rate of 100% for 8 lakh DRR already maintain ₹4,14,000। balance amount rupees maintained for the current year ₹3,86,000। Now 3,86,000, 3,86,000। Next entry on 30 April 2019, DRI debenture redemption investment account debit to bank। DRI maintain 15% of the redeemed value, the face value redeemed ₹8 lakh at the rate of 15%, ₹1,20,000। Now next entry on 1st October 2019, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट DRI को सेल कर रहे हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट को टू DRI टू इंटरेस्ट। DRI total invest rupees 1,20,000 at the rate of 10% for October 30 April to 1st October, April complete, May, June, July, August, September for 5 months. Amount rupees 5,000. Now interest credited 5,000. DRI amount 1,20,000. Total 1,25,000 received. Next entry was charge to debenture holder 1st October 9% debentures account debit to 9% debenture holders. The debenture redeemed at a premium, now debited premium on redemption of debenture. Debit. Debenture value 8 lakh, premium 40,000, total charge to debenture holder 8,40,000. Next entry 9% debenture holders account debit to bank, amount rupees 8,40,000. Now DRR transfer to general reserve after redemption. DRR account debit, debenture redemption reserve account debit to general reserve. Amount rupees total 8 lakh maintain, now transfer to general reserve. General entry complete. Taken question information. Chandra Tubes Limited issued 70,000 7% debenture of rupees 100 each on June 30, 2016, redeemable at a premium of 6% on July 1st, 2020. Now summarized information: issued 70,000 7% debenture at the rate of rupees 100 each, issued on 30 June 2016, now issued at par 100 rupees each, redemption at 6% premium. Now redeemed price rupees 106, redemption on 1st July 2020. The board of directors have decided to transfer out of profit 2,50,000 to debenture redemption reserve on 31st March 2018, 2,50,000 on March 31st 2019, and the balance on March 31st 2020. Now maintain general entry. First entry for issued of debenture on 30 June. Now general entry: bank account debit to 7% debenture application and allotment. Now issued 70,000 debenture at the rate of rupees 100 each, 70 lakh. Next entry, debenture application and allotment transfer to debenture, 7% debenture application and allotment account debit. Now loss on issue of debenture debit to 7% debenture to premium on redemption of debenture. 7% debenture application and allotment rupees 70 lakh. Loss 70,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 6 premium, 4,20,000. Total debenture recorded as face value 70 lakh, 4,20,000 premium on redemption of debenture. Now question information. Board of Directors have decided to transfer out of profit 2,50,000 to debenture redemption reserve on 31st March 2018. First DRR maintained on 31st March 2018. Statement of PL account debit to DRR maintain 2,50,000. And next, on 31st March 2019, again maintain 2,50,000. On 31st March 2019, statement of PL account debit to DRR 2,50,000 debenture redemption reserve. And balance on 31st March 2020 before the redemption. Now 31st March 2020 balance amount, debentures face value 70 lakh, 70 lakh at the rate of 10%. Now first general entry, statement of PL account debit to DRR. Face value total 70 lakh at the rate of SEBI guidelines 10% DRR maintain rupees 7 lakh already maintained in 2018 and 19 DRR 5 lakh balance amount rupees 2 lakh maintain DRR on 31st March 2020. Now 2 lakh next 30 April 2020 DRI. Now debenture redemption reserve account debit to bank. DRI maintained redeemed value 70 lakh at the rate of 15%. 10 lakh 50,000. Now 10,50,000 as a debenture redemption investment account debit to bank 10,50,000. Next, charge to debenture holder account for the redemption. Before redemption, debenture in cash on 1st July 2020. Proceeds from sale bank account debit to debenture redemption investment. Amount rupees 10,50,000. Now 1st July 2020, charge to debenture holder 7% debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debenture account debit to 7% debenture holders. Debentures face value rupees 70 lakh, 4,20,000 as a premium on redemption of debenture, total 74,20,000. And next last entry for the payment, 7% debenture holders account debit to bank 74,20,000, 74,20,000. And next entry, DRR total maintained 7 lakh, now transfer to general reserve.